Today we're diving into the world of adventure riding with two incredible machines from Harley-Davidson. The Pan America 1250 Special for the adventure touring rider who likes to head off-road, and the Pan America 1250 ST for the adventure sport rider who's more focused on pavement performance. Let's start with what these two adventure bikes have in common. Both the Pan America 1250 Special and the Pan America 1250 ST are powered by the Revolution Max 1250 engine, delivering 150 horsepower and 91 foot-pounds of torque. This liquid-cooled V-twin engine is designed for maximum performance and efficiency, making it perfect for both on-road and off-road adventures. New for 2026, both models have updated fins on the engine covers inspired by traditional V-twin engine styling. Both models come with adjustable front and rear suspension. This means you can fine-tune your ride to match your preferences and the terrain you're conquering. With 7.5 inches of travel on the Special and 6.75 inches on the ST, you'll have no problem handling any type of adventure. One of the standout features for these motorcycles is the adaptive ride height system, standard on the ST model in the US and Canada and optional on the Special model. This innovative technology automatically transitions the motorcycle between a low stop position and optimal ride height when the motorcycle is in motion, making it easier to mount and dismount the bike. Both bikes also come with a suite of advanced electronics, including rider safety enhancements by Harley-Davidson to keep you in control on pavement and loose surfaces, selectable pre-programmed and customizable ride modes to adapt for both road and off-road conditions, and a 6.8-inch TFT touchscreen display with Bluetooth connectivity and navigation via the Harley-Davidson app to keep you en route. Now that we covered the common features, let's dive into what sets each model apart. We'll start with the Pan America 1250 Special. This model offers features that support a wide range of riding surfaces, such as LED adaptive forward lighting, guards, adjustable seat height, handlebar wind deflectors, and a center stand. These features empower riders to confidently tackle a wide variety of terrain. Rounding out the key features on the Pan America 1250 Special are the optional laced wheels. With these wheels, the stainless steel spokes are inserted through the aluminum wheel rim outside of the tire bead. They also offer several benefits, including eliminating the need for an inner tube and the ability to replace spokes in the field without removing the wheel from the motorcycle or removing the tire from the wheel. Now let's shift our attention to the Pan America ST. It's focused on pavement performance. Built for riders who want an agile bike with comfort and longer distance capability, but don't desire the all-road capability of a fully equipped adventure touring motorcycle. To boost on-road performance, the Pan America 1250 ST model is equipped with 17-inch wheels mounted with premium street tires, lowered and recalibrated suspension, lightweight exhaust, and a quick shifter. The result is a dynamic motorcycle that can be a practical daily ride, an exciting back-road apex chaser, and a capable weekend touring mount. So whether you're looking for a versatile adventure bike like the Pan America 1250 Special or a powerful adventure sport ride like the Pan America 1250 ST, Harley-Davidson's got you covered. Both of these motorcycles are designed to take you on unforgettable journeys, no matter where the road or trail takes you. Visit your local Harley-Davidson dealership for a test ride.